Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one vs460. This is Hyundai special car, and this car no start. That's the problem. So no crank, no start. I try to start, but ignition on, everything is fine, but not start. Today I will show you where is the problem, why this car not start. Okay, so when I check first fuse, I got this fuse short, this one. See, like this fuse I got short. Okay, so then I fix another one, and then here also the fuse box remove those 10 and 15, this one, those two fuse also short. Then I put new fuse, but it's when I put fuse it's short, fuse short. That means somewhere wiring damage, I think. Then I check here everything wire, but I didn't find any wiring problem. Okay, and then I remove engine control unit, just came here, see, and then I open this. I found out inside burn, short, see. See, this is damage. So if your car have same problem, check this engine control unit and need to replace or try to repair. Okay, thank you.